Hi, I'm Dan Trommater, and I help people get unstuck. Here's a little experiment. Clasp your hands together like this. Seriously, put your phone down for a second, get both of your hands empty, and clasp your hands together like so. Notice which of your thumbs is on top. And now, switch it. Doesn't that feel weird? Doesn't it feel just kind of wrong? Here's another example. Just clap. Now, you'll note that one of your hands is clapping into your other hand. Switch it. Doesn't that feel weird? Doesn't it feel like your arms are some weird noodles? Sometimes we're not even aware of the ruts that we get stuck in. Sometimes it just takes trying things a little bit differently. And when you do that, and it feels weird and wrong, that might be a good indication that that's an area to explore. I'm Dan Trommater. Until next time, be well.